Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found a true piece of art for my bathroom. No kidding, who knew that a soap dispenser could be this beautiful? This ceramic soap dispenser from Cormomu is not only beautiful, but it comes in different colors and it's also made of a durable material that will last you for years. The top pump is made of stainless steel, and I was impressed by how smooth and easy it is to operate. With just 1 to 2 pumps, you have enough soap to clean up the dirtiest jobs. This set comes with an adjustable silicone funnel to fill your soap dispenser, and when you're done using it, you can collapse it in on itself and it turns into a tiny little thing that will definitely get lost in your junk drawer. I personally really liked this company. They made a lot of really beautiful ceramic pieces for your home. Everything that I received from them was well packaged and made with care and love. So if you're thinking to add a little beauty to your bathroom or kitchen, then I think you're going to love the ceramic soap dispenser from Cormomu. And that's my point of view.